Okay, this is JJ with Odin's Eye Art, and right now we are going to do a little studio tour. This is my studio door. I wood burned and built this door. It is a sliding barn door. I'm a bit of a nerd if you can't tell. And now we open our door. And this is the studio. I know it doesn't look clean, but it is, for what I do anyway. And sometimes I gotta close it. Usually I just leave it open. But if I close it, my cat comes constantly. So I've got a bunch of wood burnings and sun catchers and prints that I did a long time ago. All kinds of stuff. It looks like a mess, but it is an organized mess, I promise. I know where everything is. And I'll print some more wood burnings up here, more sun catchers. This is all my stuff. And my printer. And my Stephen King poster, because I love Stephen King. And here's some more prints that I did a while ago. These are a bunch of necklaces that I made. And behind all of these is another Stephen King poster, which I love too. It goes through every book he's ever written. It's really, really cool. It's got a key on the back, so that's the most important thing. And Doctor Who, I think we all know that I'm a nut for Doctor Who. I got my Doctor Who license plate up there from when I lived in New Hampshire. And a bunch of bracelets that I made. More sun catchers. A bunch of earrings that I made. Got so many of those. All my beads in here. I try to keep everything organized and labeled, but right now I can't find my label maker. Otherwise it would be. And over here, got my apron for when I'm doing wood carving and stuff. More wood burns. I try to keep all my flyers from festivals and stuff that I've done. Some lovely artwork by my friend Tom, which I love. Nothing on this wall just yet because we just put the door up. And here are all the sun catchers. A tree that I'm doing a tutorial on that I haven't finished yet. Wood burnings. Wood burnings. And here is all of my wire. Gotta have Tom Baker up there. Doctor Who stuff. And all kinds of stuff. And I've got crowns up here that I made. A bunch of crowns. A whole bunch more beads. More Tom Baker. More wire. And just a bunch of stuff. My Dremel that I use quite often. Get my coffee warmer. I'm always in here with coffee. Batteries. This is my little anvil that I use to flatten out wire. And all my tools and everything. And of course, got a picture of my mama. Always watching me every time I'm in here. This is a little makeshift setup that I made for my videos and stuff. So, and a kitty cat, because I love kitty cats. But right now the desk is pretty clean, but trust me, that will not last. And then under here I've got some wood burnings and painting over there. A bunch of wood burnings I'm working on over there. More wood burnings over here. And all my tools and everything are under my desk. Again, it looks like a mess, but I promise I know where everything is. So, that's that. And, yeah, any questions, let me know. But this is my lovely studio that I love so much. Spend a lot of time in here. And that is that. It's pretty small, but it gets the job done. So, have any questions, let me know. And I hope you all have a great day.